these woods with me.
Hey, Booger here. This little video here is just a short video of a weekend I spent with my brother Steve when we were hunting. Some of the video I took, that the deer I saw, and even a miss, and just to enjoy the deer and some of the beauty of the Ozarks, and listen and enjoy.
Picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in a basket. Picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in the basket. Picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in the basket. Way down yonder at the pawpaw patch. Get 'em by the bunch, or get 'em by the dozen. Eat 'em for lunch, yeah, eat 'em with your cousin. Eat all you want, boy, you got it coming when you meet me over by the pawpaw patch. Well, picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in the basket. Picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in the basket. Picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in the basket. Way down yonder at the pawpaw patch. I'll bring a chicken, gonna get us all a bit of that old-time religion. You point 'em out, I'll set to picking, and we'll all get together at the pawpaw patch. Well, picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in the basket. Picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in the basket. Picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in the basket. Way down yonder at the pawpaw patch. A little mulligan stew, green beans and taters, gonna get me a few of them vine ripe tomatoes. I'll skip to Maloo. Well, I'll meet you later by the tree at the bottom of the pawpaw patch. Oh, picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in the basket. Picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in the basket. Picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in the basket. Way down yonder at the pawpaw patch. Picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in the basket. Picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in the basket. Picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in the basket. Way down yonder at the pawpaw patch. Picking up the pawpaws, picking up the pawpaws, picking up the pawpaws, put 'em in the basket. Way down yonder at the pawpaw patch. Yeah, way over yonder at the pawpaw patch. Oh, way down yonder at the pawpaw patch. you played the other part? How did you do? How did you do? How can you toy with my heart like you do, like you do, like you do?
So we're gonna ease up here and see if we can't find arrow. Okay, be with me. Let's go.
My tears are falling on the ground like the dew, like the dew, like the dew, like the dew. You say how you're sorry now. What does that do? What does that do? And you'll make it up somehow. Well, whoop-de-doo, yeah, whoop-de-doo. And you love me like a friend, like you do, like you do. How can you toy with my heart once again, like you do, like you do, like you do, like you do. Nevermore for you. She slithers over the moonbathed rows of corn. The wind chimes peal as the heat lightning warms the sky. She looks through the windows at the light she once knew.
She cries out for loved ones alone.
Hey everybody, Booger here. It's already been exciting with this full moon last night. And a doe, a yearling, and a buck. I could just tell you had white horns. I'm not sure. Anyway, I was getting ready to put the smack down on the doe, but she said something and took off. Hopefully, hang tight. We'll see something else comes in.
Unfortunately, nothing else came in, and Booger was done for the day. Stay tuned because we're getting ready to put the smack down on a nice buck. Boom.